You've been told antioxidants come from plants, that you need kale, blueberries, and green tea to fight aging. But your body doesn't run on plant chemistry, it runs on redox biology. And nature already built the delivery system. It's called the cow. See, plants make antioxidants to protect themselves, not you. Cows eat those compounds, digest them, and convert them into real defense molecules like glutathione, carnitine, taurine, coenzyme Q10, and carnosine. That's bioavailable redox. That's the difference between chemistry and biology. Your body doesn't absorb raw plant antioxidants. Over 95% never reach your bloodstream. But when you eat beef heart, liver, and muscle, you absorb the finished products. The animal already processed the defense signals for you. We were told plants protect us from disease, but those studies, they confuse correlation with causation. See, people who ate more plants also ate less processed food, spent more time outdoors, and avoided seed oils. Oxidation isn't bad. It's how your body signals damage. When you flood your system with fake antioxidants, you mute the repair signal. When you eat the right molecules, the ones nature designed, you restore the code. Carnitine feeds mitochondrial transport. Carnosine blocks glycation and aging of collagen. Taurine stabilizes calcium in the heart muscles. Coenzyme Q10 transfers electrons like a biological spark plug. And glutathione made in your liver neutralizes the waste. These aren't supplements, they're signals. They tell your endothelium to stay elastic, your heart to contract clean, your arteries to resist oxidation. That's not nutrition, that's vascular programming. Once those redox systems stay stable, the glycocalyx, your arterial shield, stays thick. LDL stops oxidizing, ApoB stops sticking, and the cascade of disease turns into a maintenance cycle. This is why meat heals in ways vegetables never could. You're not missing polyphenols, you're missing bioactive redox compounds that plants never made for you. You get them through the food chain that evolved to make them for mammals. Plants to cows, cows to human. It's not a slogan, it's the chain of conversion. Chlorophyll catches light, the cow turns it into fat-soluble antioxidant. You eat that fat and your mitochondria capture the energy pattern. That's redox inheritance. So when the food industry tells you to get your antioxidant from acai bowls, green powders, or detox juices, they're selling surface chemistry. Biology doesn't care about your smoothie. It cares about the redox charge inside your cells. See, true antioxidant defense is built from within. Coenzyme Q10 from heart tissue, carnosine from muscle, taurine from liver, saturated fats that protect membranes from oxidation. That's how animals survive oxidative stress. That's how humans did too before we replaced foods with products. Aging is not the accumulation of years, it's the accumulation of uncorrected oxidation. You can't stop the clock, but you can repair the mechanism that keeps it running clean. That's what animal nutrients do. They don't slow time, they maintain order. When taurine rehydrates cells, nitric oxide stays stable. When coenzyme Q10 and carnitine keep the electron chain moving, the heart resists failure. When glutathione levels stay high, inflammation resolves before it scars tissue. That's antioxidant work, internal, quiet, constant. Plants are useful for animals, not for direct human antioxidant defense. You need the agent. The cow filters, converts, and stabilizes them. You get the usable molecules, not the raw compounds that your body can't interpret. So yes, plants begin the chain, but animals finish it. And if your diet skips that link, you're left chasing antioxidants that never reach their target, while oxidative stress keeps aging your heart, skin, and brain. Inflammation, heart disease, and aging are not random failures. They are redox failures. When the electron donors runs out and the repair system stalls, the fix is not exotic, it's elemental. restore the molecules evolution designed your biology around. The same compounds that make a cow's heart strong are the ones that make yours resilient. Carnosine, coenzyme Q10, taurine, carnitine, all born from the plant energy the animal biology perfected. That's how you rebuild from the inside out. You're not missing antioxidants. You're missing the signal your biology evolved to use. The food chain was the original pharmacy. You don't need detox juice. You need to eat in alignment with your biology.
Before you go, drop a comment and share this with someone who needs it.